Welcome to PostGrid tutorial, where we'll guide you through the essential features of our platform.
Let's go to the return envelopes page first. Similarly to the other resources, you can find all of your existing return envelopes here and their details as well. So let's click Create Return Envelope on the top right to create a new one. On this page, all you have to do is enter a description, and then you can select a contact from the drop-down menu. We can then just click Create, and we can see the envelope that we just created here. Let's select it now. You'll see that we have 0 return envelopes available for use. And to order return envelopes, click on Create an Order. We can start by entering a description for the order, but this is an optional field, so you can leave that blank if you want. Then let's enter the number of envelopes that we want to order, and keep in mind that the minimum order values for return envelopes is 5,000. You don't have to use all of these 5,000 envelopes at once. All of the ones that you don't use will be kept in stock, and you can use them for your future orders as well. So let's enter the amount that we want to order and then click on Place Order. Note that we are on test mode, so this is just a test order. No orders will be actually placed when we finish this process. And to place an actual order for return envelopes, you just need to follow the same process on live mode. So after placing the order, you'll see the quantity that we entered here under Quantity Ordered. We can also click here on the return envelope order to get more details about it. So right now, our order status is placed. On a live order, this would mean that we're still processing the order and you still don't have any envelopes available for use. Let's click on Fill Test Order to see what it would look like once the order is filled. So in a real order, this is an automatic process, so no action is needed from your end. When the return envelope is printed and prepared, the order status will change from placed to filled. And this means that your envelopes are now ready to be used. If we go back to the return envelopes page and we check our envelope now, we can see that we have 5,000 envelopes available for use.
Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. I hope this helps you to make the most of our platform. And don't hesitate to send an email to support@postgrid.com if you have any more questions.